We're just going to quickly show you how to install and configure the ConXhub widget. Firstly, open the Chrome browser and search for Chrome extensions. Open the page and search for ConXhub. Press the Add to Chrome button. Confirm you want to add the extension. The extension is now active. Click on it. Press Go to Options page. Now press Grant Notifications. In the settings, change the ping to ring and adjust the volume. You can now close the page and click on the widget icon. Enter your phone number in international format without plus or 00. If all okay, you'll see your number and name in the widget. If not, log out and enter again. That's it.